Hello everyone. So in this video I will show you that how can we improve the logic of deleting status after 24 hours. Okay. So previously when I created this functionality, so I claimed that the status will be deleted after 24 hours, but there is a problem because uh, the logic that we were using is only doing the validation for the last status that was uploaded by the user. So it will only delete the last status, and that's not really a good feature because let's say for example if a user uploaded three status, okay, and number one and number two status is not compared with their timestamp, okay, only the third or the last status that was uploaded by the user is getting compared and it is deleted, and that's not really a good feature. Basically you can say it's a bug because the status is not deleted after 24 hours. Okay, so now in this video I will show you how can we perform that scenario. I mean, how can we perform that task. Very first of all, you have to open the fragment tree, okay, and here you have to simply use a very basic recycler view, and you can see the properties are just 1 dp width, 1 dp height, and id rb delete status. So guys, this recycler view is just for formality. We are not going to fetch or show it, okay, on the screen. So it is just a way to get every specific status delete timing. Okay, so this is how we can achieve or we can get the value of every status delete value. Okay, so we can do the comparison and we can delete it if it is beyond 24 hours. So that is a very simple logic. Okay, so very first of all you have to use this recycler view. Then second thing, you have to open your fragment 3 and then simply increase the recycler view here, rb delete, fine. Then give its reference here, rb delete status. Okay, and then here we have to add this linear layout manager, fine. Linear layout manager 3, rb delete status fixed right true. Okay, add these three lines of code. Now after that we will create a method and its name is delete status. Okay, here I have given the reference status delete reference. It is a database reference. Okay, so just initialize the database reference above and then you can give its reference here, fine. And then you have to pass child user id. This is a user id of current user. After that guys, here you can see that we are creating a variable of firebase recycler options, okay, for fetching the data inside this reference. Okay, and after that you can see that this is our complete code, firebase recycler adapter. And you guys are already familiar with this part of code that we use this code for fetching values or data from firebase into recycler view. Okay, so but still I will show you the complete code, so you can simply pause the video or write down the codes, or you can simply go to ranjansharma.com and you will get all the codes if you will join the membership, fine. So after that you have to write this model class, and here you have to pass status model because this is where we are storing the childs. Okay, or let me show you status model. So as here you can see that we have four or total five variables: image, time, user id, caption, delete. Okay, now after that fragment number 3 you have to come back, and you can see here we are passing static class and the name is status vh. So I will show you the status vh code also. So very first of all you have to create a method which is public void delete status, okay, in this status vh class, and then you have to pass these parameters: fragment activity, string image, time, user id, caption, delete, and then leave it. Okay, no code between this braces. And then after that you have to create another method which is status delete. Okay, so we will come to this one later, or you can if you want, so you can write down the codes. Okay, no issue. So guys, now then after that you have to create this delete method. Okay, and just let me remove this. Actually I added this 8364500 for checking, for testing that the deleted, I mean the status is deleted or not after 24 hours. So you don't have to write that 8640000. Okay, it was for testing purpose only. So you just have to write this simple. You can see this on the screen that we are simply initializing the reference, okay, for status delete reference and scene list reference, and then we are deleting. First of all we will delete the image url of the status, and then after that if it is successful, so we will remove the status from here also. Okay guys, and in case if you want, so you can not delete this one because for now you can go with it. Okay, because when someone will view the status, it will automatically, it will be deleted, fine. So after that guys, come back on the fragment 3, and then you can see the code here inside this cycle adapter. We are using this folder.delete status. Okay, and then we are fetching all these four values, and then after fetching these four values, we are creating a method which is holder.delete. Okay, status mod delete, and we will pass four parameters: delete, key, user ID, image URL, and in the status ph I have already shown you this part of code. Okay, so this is how we are deleting the status if it is after 24 hours, if it was uploaded before 24 hours. And this is the code for layout file. So here we are attaching the status item layout file. It is just for formality, so you don't have to make any changes here. And then you can see that rv delete, set adapter, firebase cycle adapter, start listening. So this was a complete code that you have to add. Okay, you can get the codes on rajensharma.com as well. Okay, and you can, in case yeah, in case if you face any error while making international payments, so you can make payment on PayPal. Okay, because I have PayPal account also, rajensharma6369@gmail.com. This is my PayPal email. I will also provide it in the description. So guys, this was a complete procedure that you have to follow in order to delete the status after 24 hours. Okay, and it will only delete the specific status, it will not delete the complete status. Okay, and so guys, in the upcoming videos we will add some new features also. Okay, and in the social media application we are going to add so many new features, okay, in upcoming weeks. So thank you for watching, and make sure you write all the code correctly, then the status will be deleted. And anyone who was facing problem in this deleting part of status can watch this video, follow all the steps, write down the code, and it will work. Thank you for watching. Visit rajensharma.com for source code.